Welcome back. Today I'm making a laptop stand. For this project I'm using cherry. Started by squaring up a few pieces and then cutting it to length. The dimensions for this project will be posted in the description of the video. After milling the lumber, I laid out all of my cuts that I'll be making for the laptop stand. To attach the top of the laptop stand to the sides, cut rabbets using a table saw. Since I didn't have lumber wide enough, I glued up a panel and then let it dry and cut it down to size. Finally, I glued the top to the sides and let it dry overnight. After it was dry, I unclamped, did a quick sanding with 80 grit sandpaper, and then cut 2 chamfers on the front and back sides using the table saw. Unfortunately, this didn't record during the process. Then I put some light chamfers using a block plane on all the edges, sanded all the edges, and did a final sanding. To keep the laptop from sliding off the stand, cut a piece of red oak that I stained black and then I secured using just glue to the laptop stand. Finally, it's time to finish. I used Old Master spray polyurethane, did 2 coats, sanded in between, and then I added some rubber bumper feet to the base. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you next time.